How do you do it? You have so many good friends. You are so lucky with friendships. You have a lot of kind people around you. Your friends are amazing. These are some of the words that have been spoken to me for years because of the thoughtful, kind, amazing, and intentional friends I have always had. And I thought to myself, why don't you share some quick tips on building healthy, lasting friendships? So today, if you have ever felt undervalued, out of place, or like you are the one always giving and getting nothing in return, this video is for you. In this less than 10 minutes video, I am going to teach you 6 powerful tips on how to create and keep the best friendships of your life like I have always had. The very first and important tip is to stick with people who share the same values as you. Shared values are the backbone of lasting friendships, not hobbies, not the fact that you went to the same school or that you attend the same church. When you align on things that matter, things like how you treat people, how you view loyalty, ambition, faith, even boundaries, it creates a foundation that is very hard to shake. When value clashes, drama thrives. But when they align, trust grows fast and deep. The second very important tip is to learn to categorize your friendships. Not every friend is for every part of your life, and that's perfectly okay. Some are deep soul-level connections, others may be just for fun, while some others may just be situational. One mistake I see people make is treating all friendships the same, and that always leads to disappointments. But when you know who belongs where in your life, you can give appropriately without overextending or underappreciating. It's not judgment, it's wisdom. Understand that no one can be everything to you, just as you cannot be everything to everyone. Understanding and accepting this peacefully is living realistically. The third tip is to choose and show gratitude. Here is something most people forget, as simple as it sounds. Friendship is a choice. You get to choose who you draw close, and you have to choose them consciously. Once you have found the right people, don't go silent. Gratitude builds trust. Say thank you. Show appreciation for the little things. People always stay where they are appreciated. The fourth tip today is to pour into friendships consciously. Friendship doesn't grow on autopilot. Life gets busy, but intentional friendship survives the chaos. Learn to check in, send the voice notes, make that 2-minute video call. Remember important dates. Support their wins. Sit with them in their losses. Send gifts on special days, whether you think they are rich and do not need it or not. This is very important to emphasize because I know a lot of people do not do this. Even if your friend is richer or lives in a better country, it shouldn't hold you back from showing love. Rich people also need love and care. See it as appreciating someone who means a lot to you, whether they are richer than you or not. It doesn't matter. Don't wait for things to fall apart before you show care. Be proactive, not reactive. The fifth tip is to discuss grievances to avoid resentment. Resentment grows in silence. If a friend hurts you, talk to them early, calmly, and honestly. The goal isn't to fight. The goal is to understand. Many friendships break not because of one big betrayal, but because of 100 frustrations that were never spoken about. And in return, when a friend speaks to you about how you hurt them, don't be defensive. Listen and be open to make amends. Take corrections and apologize genuinely. Healthy friendships don't run away from hard conversations. They lean into them because they know that the health of that friendship is more important. The last quick tip I'll be sharing today is show loyalty. Loyalty isn't about blind agreement. It's about being there for them even when they are not in the room or even when they are wrong. Don't gossip, don't compete, don't disappear when they struggle. Be the type of friend you would want if your life was falling apart tomorrow. Loyalty is rare but unforgettable. Friendships are one of the greatest gifts in life, but they don't just happen. They are built on clarity, care, and commitment. I also had to learn all of these tips over time. So which of these tips will you be practicing today to build that true lasting friendship that you so desire? Let me know in the comments. If this added any value to you, consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to like and share to your loved ones. Have a beautiful day. Bye.